Alright boys, I have 20 minutes to cook this. We're gonna make a 2000s/2010 swag type beat. It's kind of like 2000s Drake type sounding, but mixed in with some like TikTok vibes. It's like a whole genre on TikTok. It's called 2000s swag. That's what we're gonna cook today. So for these kind of beats, you can do it in like halftime, which is around like 90 BPM, or you can also double time it, which would be like 170 or something like that. But we're just gonna do halftime, so 190, and I'm gonna go into Triton. Triton's really good for these kind of sounds. Has a lot of those like vintage synths, which is exactly what you need for this kind of genre. I don't know, just pick a random sound and go with that for right now. Try this, it sounds way better. I'm just gonna lay down a quick little kick and snare bounce just so I can get like the groove before I add more. And I'm gonna K Randy's kit. Shout out K Randy, bro. You want to like click in the kick. It just like adds that extra like punch. I don't know why, but for some reason it just hits harder. Let's add a lead. take everything, I'm gonna pitch it down. Shit's so out of key, man. What the fuck? Okay, so this shit's detuned 70 cents. This shit's detuned 1 cent. This video is sponsored by Underdogs. If you guys are looking for new sounds, some new inspiration, or you just want to help support the channel, check out my new drum kit, Music Plus. Links to be in the description. Thank you, boys. That's so hard. I'm gonna make that shit go like back and forth. I got big man in my. Yeah, now we're getting some vocals in this bitch. We gotta put these on the playlist, you know what I mean? To keep it super ADHD, just like, you know what I mean, Ableton mode. Oh, I gotta go to the gym. I gotta wrap this up. Well, let me see if I can get my camera back on. Are we back in this bitch or what? And we don't want to spam these shits too much, so we want to keep it a little bit like alternating, if that makes sense. No way it's turning off again. How? Damn. Try out of this vocal. Alright, I'm gonna arrange everything because I gotta go to the gym. I said 40 minutes. This turned out to be way longer than 40 minutes, but it's worth it. You know, we cooked, so fuck it. Yeah, we're gonna take the vocal out here. Yeah, we're we're done, boys. This is the final beat right here. An hour and a half later, I'm super late to the gym, but yo, I'm happy with what I made, so it's all worth it. It's all worth it. But hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to leave a like. See you guys in the next one. Peace.